Now, we see what happens the very next day. Here it is. 36, page 74. The next day, and this is what it says in the text. The next day, Yochanan saw Yeshua coming toward him. Now, I put in parentheses, coming out of the wilderness toward him, because this is the very next day. After Yochanan gives his testimony to the Kohanim and the Levites, the priests and Levites sent by the Pharisees, on the very same day that Yeshua is being tempted, that's when Yochanan is being interrogated. The very next day, Yeshua walks out of the wilderness toward him, and Yochanan cried out, "Behold the Lamb of Yehovah, which takes away the sin of the world." Now, when Yochanan mikvahed him 41 days earlier, he heard a voice from heaven said, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased." But Yochanan did not introduce him as, "This is the beloved Son of Yehovah, in whom he is well pleased." No, he goes by the revelation he received. This is the Lamb of Yehovah, which takes away the sin of the world. He is the picture that the Passover lamb had depicted. He is not the red heifer. He is not a female cow, okay? That teaching is done by heretics out there pretending to be Hebrew roots who know nothing about the Bible, who's never even gone to school to study it. Just repeat things from books out there. This stuff is going like, people are talking about. Yeshua is not a red cow who is completely incinerated with his dung and burned and turned into the waters of purification to dip in. No, he is the Lamb of God, which takes away the sin of the world. The whole Passover picture is what is a type and shadow picture of Yeshua, not a red cow whose dung and innards are all burned in a fire. Sorry, I get so hot when I hear insanity. This is he of whom I said, "After me comes a man which is preferred before me because he was before me." I did not know his identity, but I came to mikvah with water so that he could be openly declared to Israel. Yochanan bear record, "I saw the Spirit descending from heaven like a dove entered a boat on him. And though I did not know him, the Almighty who sent me to mikvah with water said to me, upon whom you see the Spirit descending and remaining on him, the same as he who will mikvah with the Ruach Kodesh. And I saw this happen. I bear record that this is the very Son of Elohim." Shalom, Torah fans. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Tap the subscription button and the bell icon. And I promise to update weekly with in-depth biblical research. Be sure to download the new michaelrood.tv app for both mobile and home devices for even more commercial-free content.